And the new law is even tougher on teens because distractions can be even deadlier for inexperienced drivers. In fact, seeing that firsthand has turned a local lawyer into something of a crime buster. Darren Dito introduces us to a guy who's made it his life's mission to stop teens from making a fatal mistake behind the wheel.
Yep.
Eric, I just wanted to find out if we'd received the answer back on the Smith complaint.
Jason Epstein is a dedicated personal injury attorney who spends his days fighting for his clients, a lot of them hurt in car wrecks. Jason is a dad, too. What he deals with every day at work has motivated him to spend his downtime protecting families like his own by stopping teens from texting and driving.
And today, what I'm hoping to do is to save everyone's life in this room.
On this night, Jason is talking with the Issaquah Youth Advisory Council. He's made it his mission to preach to teens about the dangers of texting behind the wheel.
I hope to inspire some of these kids to bring the message to their school and run with it. Jason doesn't get any help from law enforcement, and he's not paid for his time. He's truly a one-man band, his own grassroots organization. One way this dad grabs kids' attention is with a graphic video showing what can really happen when a teenage driver gets distracted. And even they admit this texting thing has gotten way out of hand.
I mean, that could be any of us in that car, so that's sad and scary.
I know people who have gotten in car crashes because they were texting.
At the end of each spiel, Jason asks the kids for something back, a promise wrapped around each wrist.
I'm ready.
Which says in texting shorthand, I pledge to not text and drive. He's only been doing it a few months, and already Jason has gotten hundreds of local teens to sign on the dotted line.
Yeah, I signed the pledge, I have a bracelet, so I'm definitely going to keep my phone on silent because the thing does go off and you're like, who's texting me? So it's going to be put away from now on.
Especially with texting, using the bracelets is so effective because every time you go to text, there's the bracelet. You might remember that you took that promise.
On this night, Jason convinced all of these teens to keep the phones down and their hands on the wheel.
I just don't think it's worth it. I mean, in life there's just so much more and more important things to do while driving, like concentrating on the road.
No, people can wait till I get to my destination.
We did get the answer on that complaint.
Back at his day job, Jason remains dedicated to fighting for his clients. But the dad in him says it will never stop him from making time to get teens to pay attention to the road.
If I can prevent these kids from not only being victims of accidents, but really causing accidents too, then I'll do my job.
Reporting in Issaquah, Darren Dito, Q13, Fox News.
And Jason hopes to partner with local law enforcement agencies to help get his message out to even more teens moving forward. If you know about a crime buster in your neighborhood, we want to hear their story. Go to our website, Q13fox.com, and click the News Tips button.